Ruslan Valiulin makes his senior debut, while Tanguy Ndombele, last featured in June 29, featured off the bench against Ukraine. The first fixture for Kazakhstan, all in yellow against, was held last autumn, but let's not forget that Kazakhstan, Ousmane Dembele, who has had such a difficult time with Kazakhstan, where unexpectedly something of a changing of the guard in Kazakhstan in the last.
There you go, passing the ball around.
Fedin has been first base camp at least. 15 minutes played.
There.
Helped on by Griezmann.
Going to be sensational, isn't it? Absolutely.
Martial. Dembele. France make the breakthrough. Ousmane Dembele to put France in front, having been set up by Anthony Martial, a player who struggled so much because of injury since joining Barcelona. But on the mark to give.
His front four, really, they've all got a trick in them, haven't they? They can all beat a man, and it was of his team to build up a real comfortable lead. 3-4 goals.
Now the goal scored at Dembele.
Sure, that must have been their first shot on target.
Progressed to the World Pogba. Jamming the ball for. It's an over ambitious crossfield pass. Back line of 5. Martial again. Dean once more. Dembele.
Particularly in that final third of Kazakhstan.
Before he stood down to concentrate on. Ndombele. Griezmann. Lemar. And what an intervention that was. Well, Martial stooping to claim what he thought.
They need to be a bit more creative.
Back on the scene again for the Nations League back in the autumn.